Welcome to SHAIL'S Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. I have made a really big batch of black-eyed peas, so now I'm going to use some of my leftovers to make a delicious hummus. Here's what's cooking in SHAIL'S Kitchen today. Black-eyed peas hummus. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn your leftover black-eyed peas into a delicious hummus using these ingredients. I have some olive oil, kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste, fire roasted tomatoes, tahini, harissa, some lemon, and also fresh herbs. And all the additional ingredients will be listed in the description box below. And look at how easy this is. We're just going to put everything into our blender. Then just blend everything together. And we're all done. So now I'm going to give it a taste. Looks good. That is absolutely delicious, and I don't need to add any more salt because all the other ingredients had enough salt. And that's a good tip, to just blend all your ingredients together, then taste it before you add any additional salt. For a healthy alternative, you can use cucumber slices as your chips. Now here's a bonus for you. I made a soup out of my black-eyed pea hummus. I took the reserved juices from the fire-roasted tomatoes, just added it, stirred it in, and heated it up. What a treat! Let me tell you how this tastes. Perfect comfort food. Be creative, try different things. You'll be surprised how delicious it will be. If you liked today's episode, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, SHAIL'S Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on SHAIL'S Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.